Let's learn how to use dual messenger apps. If you want to create two WhatsApp accounts, two Facebook accounts or other two messenger accounts, we can use this feature. Now this mobile has one Facebook application. I can create two Facebook applications. Let's learn how to do this. Go to mobile settings, scroll down and go to advanced features option. In here, click on this dual messenger option. After, you can see here your dual messenger supported all applications. Now in this mobile has Facebook only. If you want to create two applications, enable this feature. After, you can create two Facebook accounts. If you want to install two WhatsApp accounts, follow the same method. Now let's see our two Facebook accounts. This is my one application and you can see this is my second Facebook application. In this method, you can make dual applications.